is going up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. So in today's episode, hold on a second. It's like, yeah, this is what we want. We want to point it down a little more. All right, so we are going to be unboxing a Vista print banner and I believe some business cards here. So let's see. I just want to see the quality of this banner. It was only like 10 bucks. So it was a pretty good deal, and this is gonna go up in my room when I do my videos. I'm trying to make it a little nicer here. I'm trying to find an easy way to cut this. I don't know. Let's just rip it. All right. So the size was, crap, what was it? I want to say 3 feet by 1 foot, something along those lines. So here is the banner, and then I believe these are the business cards here. So business cards. All right, let's see these first. I want to make sure that they are somewhat decent. I can't tell if I'm blurry or that. Okay, I think that's fine. I don't know. There, that's better. All right, so the moment of truth. So opening the box here, we have this little envelope, and let's see the first. This is for my girlfriend's photography. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is pretty good. So that is the card here. Yeah, I like it. The back side. Can't tell. Here, wait, let's get it focused. So bam, and then bam. That's cool. Okay, now, the moment of truth. So it's a indoor vinyl banner. Like I said, it was around $10. And I plan on hanging this up in my room. All right. Oh, this is cool. Check it out. That is awesome. That's pretty sweet, to be honest. All right, that is cool. So we got here. Let's just bring it over here. There. So that is the banner that was $10, and honestly, it's maybe a little bigger than what I thought for only 10 bucks. I mean, and it's pretty good quality. So that right there is, you know, pretty sweet. You know, I like how it has the stock ticker up on top, and then my position long there, and then subscribe, and then this right here is going to be MVP investor or MVP trading logo here, and MVP investor is going to be a long-term course we're going to offer here very soon. All right, so that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing video. I hope the quality is clear, because I couldn't tell on this flip screen here that I got. You know, but overall, Vistaprint, thumbs up. You know, you did great. You did very good. All right, now we just pretty much need to figure out a place to hang this up. You know, I'm excited to see it. What is that in the back? Oh, for a second I thought that was, what is that? I don't know. It's all right. All right, take care, everybody. Hope you have a fantastic weekend here. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and take care. I will see you guys probably in a later video. Peace out.